Hello everyone, it's Dale here with new day trading analysis. Today I'd like to talk about euro. So this is 30-minute chart of the euro dollar. This is NinjaTrader 8 platform with my custom-made volume profile and the VWAP indicators. And I would like to talk about this strong buying activity, this one, and the levels that I currently have on in this strong buying activity. The first one is pretty close and it is pretty recent. It is this one. It is a long at 1.0992 and it is based on a heavy volume zone which formed within this uptrend. Let me draw the volume profile over the whole uptrend zone, this one, and as you can see, this is the first volume cluster here, where actually there are some volumes in here as well, but I'm more interested in those volumes, as those volumes got accumulated before the start of this new buying activity here, right? Those are the volumes here. Let me move the volume profile back. So what this represents, this volume cluster, and also the other volume clusters that I have here, what they represent are buyers who are pushing the price upwards and who are adding to their long positions there at those places where those heavy volumes are. So in those areas, buyers were adding to their long positions, and those buyers are likely to defend those zones because clearly they are important for them. So when there are pullbacks, if there are pullbacks, there should be reactions. So ideally, we see a pullback to the first support, then reaction, pullback to the second support, reaction. Another support is in here. Let me draw a line there. It is at 0955 in here. And another one is 0942. It is in here. All are based on those heavy volume clusters. This one is not as significant, but what I like about this thing is that there's first a deviation of weekly VWAP here, very close to the level. If at the time of the pullback, the first deviation is still somewhere around this level, then it will be a strong confirmation to jump in that trade, because price like to react to the first deviation of a VWAP. So if it is around, it will confirm that trade. If it's not, I'll definitely want to use order flow to confirm the trade. I'll want to see the buyers jumping in here, because as I was saying, the volumes here are not as heavy as in the other cases, so I'll want some additional confirmation. If not VWAP, then order flow confirmation. Right? Now, another support is in here. The logic is the same in all the cases. Heavy volumes within a trend, right? Now, with this one, there's a nice confluence. If I scroll back a bit, you can see that the price was reacting to this level in the past, in here, and in here. Not exactly to the level, but to this general area. That means that in the past it was a resistance, and that resistance now turned into a support when the price blew past that resistance in here. All right. Now, in combination with the significant volume cluster here, this makes a very, very nice level to trade from. All right, so what we need to do now is just wait for those pullbacks. Ideal scenario, which never happens, but ideal scenario would be pullback, reaction, pullback, reaction, pullback, reaction, pullback, reaction. That would be the ideal case, but yeah, we'll see what happens. One more thing, be careful about macro news today. It is the CPI. CPI news, the inflation news. So be careful around the news because markets could get volatile, unpredictable, and I recommend not trading around the news and in the post-news volatility. Alright, so that's for that. If you guys are interested in learning more about the volume profile trading, then head over to my website. It is trader-dale.com, and if you click this button, trading course and tools, then it will take you to this page where you can browse my trading education and custom-made trading tools. There's the volume profile pack, which will teach you everything about volume profile trading. Then the order flow pack, which will teach you everything about day trading with order flow, and the newly released VWAP pack, which is all about VWAP trading. There are videos, you can watch those, they'll show you everything which you are going to get more in detail. And if you guys are interested in getting all the three together for a discounted price, you can get it at the bottom of this page, where you can either get the volume profile and the order flow pack for $6.97, or all the three packs together, volume profile, order flow, and VWAP pack for $8.97. Alright, so that's about that. Thanks for watching the video, and I will be looking forward to seeing you next time, and until then, happy trading!